Hi guys! Come with me to Manila to attend an event. Let's go!
This one, off-shoulder siya na parang pa ganyan.
I already booked my joyride kasi wala tayong car ngayon dahil nga ako lang mag-isa dito sa Manila. But it's okay, sobrang quick lang, pero oh my gosh, it's Friday pala today. So good luck sa akin sa traffic. Ganda ng Terminal 2. At last, I am settled here na sa Airbnb na nabook ko dito sa may San Juan. So if you're wondering why I'm here sa Manila, it's because I am attending another Kaizen event. This is actually the halftime meetup ng Kaizen Season 8. So, I can't miss it. And sobrang excited ako to meet the Kaizen fam, to meet new people, and engage. To see my teammates as well. So, ayan. Right now, mag-settle lang ako kasi medyo hingal pa ako, guys. And titignan ko yung outfit ko for tomorrow because kailangan color ng team namin. So, abangan nyo tomorrow. I'm also very excited because I'm gonna see my brother. So, if you don't know, I have a brother, a younger brother. Dalawa lang kami. And I asked him to stay with me here sa Airbnb para may kasama naman ako. And para tapos makabonding rin kami for a while kasi ang tagal na rin namin hindi nagkita. So, yan. Kumbaga, pag every time na lumuluwas talaga ako sa Manila, lahat ng pwede kong isingit na gagawin natin. So, okay, samahan niyo pa ako sa aking mga ganap dito. Let's go! But, wait lang. Alam niyo kanina, I am somewhat enjoying the peace and serenity kasi sa airplane, sobrang tahimik, hindi ako sanay kasi nga wala yung mga kids ko. But, I still miss them so much. But, I'm just really happy because they're with their dad naman in Isabela. So, it's time for them to bond without me. So, solo time muna nila. So, ako naman, I'll do my best to enjoy myself and wag masyadong ma-miss yung kids para naman, kasi minsan lang naman itong mga ganitong pagkakataon sa aking life. So, ayan, sulitin na natin! Nag-order ako ng mga outfits for tomorrow's ganap because, guys, ang cluster color namin is orange and wala talaga akong kulay orange na damit. So, nag-last minute Shane tayo. So, let's see if maganda bang quality. Ooh! Very nakakapreso. That's okay. It looks okay. So, this one, off-shoulder siya na parang pa ganyan. And I also bought some accessories, earrings, kasi for some reason, lagi nawawala yung mga hoop earrings ko na gold. So, danamihan ko na siya. Oh, this white top. Because I also bought yung orange na pangbaba. So, I hope mag-match siya. So, ito yung oh, parang mas bet ko tong pantaas na to. So, white top. Mahilig talaga ako, guys, sa mga parang, alam yung pa-swimsuit na ganyan, yung one piece. Though, ang hirap lang talaga umihi. Pero mas bet ko kasi yung fit niya sa akin. And natin kung babagay siya dun sa orange na pants na ating binili. Like what I said, wala akong masyadong orange. Hindi ko alam kung bagay ba siya sa skin ko. Oh, the quality looks nice naman. So, ayan siya. So, I think it's better kung sukatin na natin siya. Okay, this is the final look, guys. Medyo sumakses naman tayo, no? Very, very light. Silicone tayo para wala makita chismis sa likod. Pero ayan, ang ating poncan na pants. Ang ating top. What do you guys think? Okay naman siya, diba? Kasi parang masyadong pongkan naman tayo, be, kung pati yung top natin, orange din, diba? At least to balance out with the color kasi sobrang makatawag pansin ng color orange. Okay. Comfy naman din siya. Happy din naman ako. Think ito na tayo. Okay na tayo dito. Medyo dito lang ako na pero carry belts lang. Wala naman makikita masyado. Wait for the final look tomorrow with the glam and all. Okay, ready na ba kayo sa reveal? Ta-da! This is the final glam. Diba? Very, ano lang tayo. Clean look. Very CEO ang datingan. Ganyan. So, nagpa-makeup ako, guys, because honestly, mga ganitong events, ito lang yung chance ko to look good and feel good. So, tinutondo ko na talaga magpa-glam. And aside from that, grabe kasi, guys, talaga yung breakouts ko. On my own, hindi ko talaga siya makonceal properly. So, nagawa naman ng paraan niya ni Marky. So, thank you so much. Now, let's accessorize. So, ayan. Mamaya ko na papakita sa inyo yung outfit natin later. Pero, nakita nyo naman na yun kahapon, di ba? Necklace na very, very pa-sweet. Ako talaga, I am obsessed with gold accessories. Ito siya. It's number 1. Pero parang medyo ano siya, no? Very out there. Parang, huy, ito ako. Parang ganun yung dating niya. Feeling ko, ito tayo. What do you guys think? Okay, let's do a fit check. Hi, guys!
Step 3.
Wait, step 3.
Make another look. Sige man. Sige man. Okay. Ayan.
Step 5 na, guys.
Lagi ako kayo guys. Shoot you.
Wala, ganda lang ang meron tayo. Wala tayong nagawa.
Meron tayong
Hindi naman ganito lang. Kunyari lang. Kunyari lang. Yan na yung best natin. Bracelet check me. Bracelet check. Uy, ang ganda nung kay Miguel. Ang ganda na yung color niya. Yung color. Fairness.
Sana kung nabuo natin.
O, yeah nga.
Hindi ko muna nabuo yun.
At least, ayan. At least may bracelet.
Are we ready?
Makeup session for today.
Ayan! Grabe,
In Kaizen, we're all beautiful.
Yeah.
Pero parang nakikita natin,
Diba winner tayo sa ganda?
ano represent sa game natin? What's this?
See the difference ng bulking sa cutting. Mga hindi, may baon pa ako, guys. Para hindi mahirap. First food mo today. Oh, mga cutting, resibo, para kay Champy. Bulking yun, guys. Ayan. Kain na tayo. Nahirapan ka. Pero carry naman. Naka-adjust ka na. Sinakto ko yung calls. Sa grocery.
Alam niyo, pag kami talaga kayo, hindi kayo pang pang mga learning, pang party-party.
Happy na lang ako. Yeah.
Let's go back to your seats.
pa lang. 5.
Fresh naman eh.
Oh, ay, salamat. Ayan. Okay, 5:14. Oh, di ba humihikap na? Oh. Sige, push. Bye.
And we are back here sa ating Airbnb because at exactly 5 p.m. natapos na nga ang halftime meetup. Grabe, sobrang saya. Nag-enjoy talaga ako sa event. And it's actually the first time that I attended a Kaizen event na natapos ng maaga. So, nag-start kami ng 10 and natapos rin exactly at 5. And it's just so nice to meet and engage sa mga Kaizen people in person. Kasi iba pa rin talaga pag nakakausap mo sila, pag nakahawakan mo sila. Sayang hindi ko na video mga ibang pangyayari pero nagkaroon ng mga iyakan, mga nag-open up sa bawat partners and activities. Sobrang lutong ko na, guys. But anyway, meron din talagang sayawan as usual and yun, ang dami talaga nangyari. But ang nakaka-happy talaga doon is to see everyone just enjoying kasi fitness is meant to be shared with everyone. And kumbaga yung community talaga ng Kaizen is sobrang huge na tulong para maging successful sa 100 days dito sa Kaizen. So, ayun. I'm just so happy and worth it yung pagluwas natin. And I can't wait to attend the next event, which is Sports Fest and yung season ender. Now, it's 6 p.m. and parang bet ko na matulog. Ayun lang, guys. Tomorrow, I will fly back to Isabela and I can't wait to see my kids and my energy is renewed and time uli sumabak sa motherhood. But at least I get to spend a little time for myself and with my friends and with my group mates. Ayun lang, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog na sinama ko kayo sa event na ito. See you again next time. Bye! Wala na akong boses. And yung makeup ko, grabe. Lumabas na yung mga sumpa. Bye!